Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to make an audio call on WhatsApp. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to connect with your friends and family using WhatsApp's audio calling feature. First things first, you need to open the WhatsApp app on your device. This is the starting point for all your WhatsApp interactions, including making calls. Once you've opened WhatsApp, you'll see a list of your chats. Now, it's time to choose who you want to call. Tap on the chat with the person you wish to connect with. If you don't have a previous conversation with them, you can start a new chat by searching for their name in your contacts. Now that you're in the chat, look up to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a few icons there, but the one you're interested in is the phone icon. This is what you'll use to initiate an audio call. Tap on this phone icon, and WhatsApp will start dialing the person's number. All you need to do now is wait for them to answer. It's worth noting that WhatsApp uses your internet connection to make calls, so you don't need to worry about using up your mobile minutes. You can use either Wi-Fi or mobile data, depending on what's available and more convenient for you. This feature is especially useful when you're abroad or need to make international calls without incurring hefty charges. WhatsApp's audio calling feature is straightforward and reliable, making it a great way to stay in touch with people around the world. Whether you're catching up with friends, discussing work, or just need some advice from a family member, WhatsApp's audio calls have got you covered. Before we wrap up, remember to ensure you have a stable internet connection for the best call quality. Also, if you're using WhatsApp on your computer, make sure you have the necessary permissions and equipment, like a microphone and speakers, to make and receive calls smoothly. That's it for today's tutorial. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to make an audio call on WhatsApp. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials.